Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Timesavers 43-inch wide belt sander. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machinery you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is a Timesavers dual head 43-inch wide belt sander. It does have moderate to low usage. One of the ways that we can tell is that if you come in and if you take a look at the feed mat, all your paint has not disappeared from the feed mat rubbing on the top of the table when it was painted. Another way we can tell is if we come in here, you just simply don't see the extreme amount of wear here. Usually the paint will be completely gone in this area, and as you can see there, it's a fairly clean machine in those areas, and I mean that's kind of what we're looking for. Another reason that we know this is a low use machine is that it comes from a laminate shop / commercial shop. They did a lot of commercial and laminate work. And this was just really a backup piece of machinery for if they had to do some solid wood panels, and obviously they were mostly doing commercial work, so it was again just a lot of laminate. When we received this machine, it was not perfect, however, and we always try and add value to machines. The original feed mat that came with this machine was just dried out. We could have dressed it, but the machine is in such good condition, we figured it might as well have a brand new feed mat. So this is a triple ply neoprene feed mat. It's the same that you would see Timesavers put on it from the factory. So it does have a new feed mat. When we come around to the side of the machine, you're going to see that those are your dual heads. First head is a 6-inch helical rubber drum, and the second is a combination platen. We did put new graphite on that platen, and we also did put new rubber on the front drum. Again, while it was a low use machine, there was still a nick in that drum 14 inches in. Kind of a shame because the drum had never been dressed. The drums in this machine were not dressed at all, just as the feed mat, because it was a lower use machine. And so that nick made us have to put new rubber on there. It's a lot of added value to whoever buys this machine. As you can see, it is nice and clean. This machine does raise and lower as it should. You do have a numeric counter to the side here. You've got your scale here. Built-in calibration unit here. You simply slide your piece of material to the side here, raise it up until it hits your switch up here, and that should auto-calibrate it. Again, just give you an overall picture of this machine. This is the original paint. It has not been repopped. You do have a 1.5 horsepower feed motor. It's capable of speeds of 15 to 45 feet per minute. There's your two main motors. You've got 25 horsepower on that first head, 15 on the second. This machine is 230/460 capable, currently wired 230 volts. Now when you come into these machines, there's an order of operations to clear it. What you're going to do is you're going to turn this on. You're going to hit your master start. Then what you're going to do is reset your first and second head. We can then turn the feed mat. We can then turn on the heads or the feed mat. You should turn on the heads first, but I'm going to turn the feed mat so you can hear it running. Again, not much to see on the feed mat because it is brand new, but we will take this feed speed and change it. It's currently pretty much on the fastest setting, so we're going to go to a lower setting. Nice smooth running transmission. We're going to come in and turn these heads on real fast. And your safety gate still works. As you can hear, it did stop right away, so your brakes do work as well. Again, a really, really nice example of a 43-inch dual head wide belt sander in excellent plus condition. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence